ground floor, the front side bit of it had one. Then
so there's no behind in the first, on the ground floor. It's only one floor. Is that what you're telling me?
Sorry?
One access door.
Ground floor. It's only one access door. Is that what you're
Yes, from the front.
So is there behind? Because you told us from inside. Is there another one behind?
Yes, that was a behind access door.
Which
On the
leads to
ground.
where? Leading to where?
Leading to inside the scene of crime. Inside the offices.
Let me try to see whether we understood. You said there's a door in front. There's also another door from behind. Is that what you're telling me?
Yes,
So there's in front and there's behind.
and behind.
Is that the ground floor?
Yes, down floor.
Then you also told us that there's a door on the first floor.
Yes, from the front.
Another question there. Can I use that door on the first floor without using the ground floor?
No?
Meaning I first have to use the ground floor before I can access the first floor.
Yes.
Kitegeeza nti omuntu tasobola kugenda ku mwaliiro olusooka nga tayisimuulirwa wansi ekikubo.
So now when I access this side, I processed, analyzed and examined the scene of crime. On particular items that I suspected someone would have touched.
Byasuubira nti waliwo omuntu eyayinza.
For example, in this particular office, there were safe boxes.
The office was at which floor? Which floor was the office you were referring to?
It was covering both the ground floor and the first floor. So when I examined the points, including the padlock at the access point, I was able to lift or retrieve latent marks or finger marks.
Kubeera bulungi okwolowooza nti zaali zimenyeddwa era n'asangako ngalo fingerprints.
I lifted those latent marks, which were 4 in number,
It was on the door and the padlock.
the padlock and the safe box. I lifted them, and after lifting, we were at the scene as a team. Corporal Lally arrested the person who was guarding there from
Yes, can you
SG.
speak to your roles? Can you leave Corporal Olan? Okay, that's what
Okay.
you're going to use the whole thing.
So after lifting the marks, I left the scene of crime. I went back to the station, whereby the person who was guarding was brought before me, that is Adulame. He was subjected to fingerprints.
Uganda Police Service
I number 55302. Nothing but the truth. Detective Popolo Putiri Hassan. Putiri, P-U-T-I Hassan. I'm 34 years. I'm a police officer attached to Palisa Police Station. I was working at Kabalagala Police Station. I reside in Palisa Police Barracks under a zone called Blemukara, Palisa County Council.
I need you to tell us the role you played in this case.
Yeah, in this particular case, before this honorable court, I played the role of as a SOCO, that is Senior Crime Officer.
Yes. Yes, so what did you do?
On the day of 3rd February 2019, it was around the midday, I proceeded to the scene of crime of office breaking and theft.
Where is it?
It was situated in Kisumu. And this called a request from Detective Kopolo Orali. Olali.
Olala.
Yes.
What was it, Olala? What was the Olala in this case? Was it the IO? What was it?
He was the IO and he was a CID standby that day. So when he received the matter, he informed me and requested me to proceed to the scene of crime.
Olala is also on the numbers of the polling that.
Office. Which was being occupied by New Jack Company. So when we reached there, we were again adjoined by then the Hosi Station Kisumu, ASP Kapoza. Was ranged from general to specific. From general to specific.
Find the findings you've given before we do the scene of crime, were there people in that place who were residing in this place
Okay, the scene of crime was being guarded at night by SGA. It's office work. They can work then the night they leave.
So there are people working on that day when you went, that's what you
Yes,
want to do.
SGA, that is Adio Lameka, who was working that night.
This is an office. You went to that scene where people working in that office. That's what the office is like, not people working. Or people
No,
are not working.
people were not working. Are not
Of
good.
course, it's an office.
It was secured.
Okay, we took photos.